In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a splash shield on your Dodge Ram. This will be located in the engine bay on the front right side. Let's get started. Remove the breather hose off the box. We're going to use an 8mm socket and we're going to loosen the clamp. Push that hose back off of the air box. Pull the air box straight up. Twist this up and out and remove it from the vehicle. Using a trim tool, we're going to remove the plastic stays. Go ahead and pop them out. 2. Follow that harness down, we'll have 2 more. Reach back right here and you're going to have 1 more clip. Pop that. There should be a clip right here. Go ahead and remove that and pull that flap back. Now we have 1 more plastic clip for that splash shield. It's going to be right here. Pop that clip out. Remove the splash shield from the vehicle. Install the new splash shield into the vehicle. Install the splash shield into the vehicle. Go around and get all your cable stays installed. Get that last top stay installed. Make sure your harness is out of the way. Install the clip into the top side of the panel. Install the clip through that door inside of our fender well. And then close that door up. If you have your clip, install it now. Install the air box into the vehicle. Make sure that the 2 dowels on the side drop in. And make sure that this is lined up with the foam on that splash shield. Install the intake onto the box and snug down that clamp. Install the breather line. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.